Yesterday we were discussing, especially I gave you one question before going on to this. Afterwards we can go on to this. Regarding the impulse I was talking yesterday. Who got the answer for that? If anyone gets the answer, Sakyata, tell me. Yeah, what did the ball comes like this, the velocity is u, then stops. Where is the impulse more? Two cases. One is abruptly stopping the ball, other is gradually drawing his hand towards the chest. Impulse more. Anyone else? Anyone else? Abruptly means less impulse. Okay, let me see. I am not saying it is correct or wrong. I want other students also. Change in momentum will be larger. Okay, let us see. So, in which case? Okay, in which case? Hurt. Okay. Aishwarya? Aishwarya? Aishwarya not there? Just now I saw. Come on, reply fast. Aishwarya, what is the answer? If you don't have the answer, tell me. Unmute and tell me, no problem. Bhumaitri? Bhumaitri? Come on, ma, answers. You have to interact with me. Simply if I go on teaching, tell me. Second case or first case? First case abruptly stopped. Second case gradually stopped. Impulse is more. Okay, your answer. Aishwarya, why this girl is not answering? If you don't have the answer, tell me. No, sir, I don't know. That's all. Oh, you can't hear. Is there problem? You can't hear.
Gradual.
Arshini?
First case.
You are able to hear
Good
me?
morning, sir.
Good
Aditya?
morning, sir.
What is your answer? First case. Okay. Now, let me see which will be correct. When the ball comes towards him and touches, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Aditya.
Saket.
Question yesterday I gave you abruptly
When a fielder
stopped
catches
and
the ball,
gradually stopped. The ball is
he pulls
abruptly
his
stopped
hand
and gradually
backwards.
stopped. In which case impulse is more? No, you tell me the answer, I will explain now.
Fielder pulls his hand backwards, sir.
Gradually stopped. Okay. Now I am going to explain this. Listen. When the ball comes towards his hand, The velocity
Sir,
is u.
while gradually
So
stopping the ball,
gradually,
Okay,
impulse is
gradually
more,
stops
just
the
sir.
ball.
before touching the
Gradually
hand,
stopping
the
the ball,
velocity is
impulse is
u.
more, sir.
Impulse
As
is more.
he stopped abruptly,
Abruptly means less
time is
impulse.
less, suddenly he stopped. From u, the velocity becomes 0. V is 0. So u
Sir, if
is
he
there,
gradually stops the
V
ball,
is
change in
0.
momentum will be larger, sir.
The time taken is
Due to
t.
the
So Ft is
because he will
mv minus mu.
back his hands,
This is
then the
called
time will be increases and
impulse.
velocity will be zero, sir.
Now listen.
Then change in
Ball
momentum will be
stops
larger.
in his hand,
What
sir.
is mu?
Sir, if we catch abruptly,
Gradually, sir.
Impulse is
in
the
a
product of
short
mass and
time, he
velocity.
need more
Yeah,
force to stop the
product of
ball, sir.
force into
So
time.
his
Product of
hand
mass into velocity is
gets
momentum. Change in momentum is called impulse. Change in the momentum is called impulse, or product of force into time is called impulse. Okay. Now this Ft is called impulse, or mv minus mu is called impulse. Now listen. When the ball is suddenly stopped, very soon the ball came to rest. Time is less or more? Less. Time is less. Now let us see. mv is 0. mv is 0. Why? Finally the ball is stopped. So Ft will be minus mu. If you take modulus, Ft will be mu. Now listen carefully here. Final momentum of the ball is 0. Why? Final velocity is 0.
Let's
Initial velocity is u. So what is the magnitude of momentum? Magnitude of impulse mu. Now when the time is less, force will be more on the hand. His hand will be hurt. When the time is more, when he gradually draws the hand, time of
gradually stop it.
listen, mute yourself. Gradually he brings the ball to rest. Time of contact is more. Then force on the hand will be less. That is why the fielder will draw his hand like this, so that his hand will not be hurt or injured. So this mu is a constant, u is a constant, m is a constant. So Ft is a constant. In both the case, same Ft only. Why? V is 0, mu is the initial momentum. That initial momentum is mu is constant. So Ft is constant. When time is less, force is more. When time is more, force is less,
Sir,
but the
one
product
screen
remains
is show.
constant. Now what is the answer?
One screen is show question, sir. Question.
Both cases the impulse is same. Did you get the point? Because
Sir,
mu is there, mv is 0.
what is the answer abruptly, sir?
mv minus mu modulus is
Sir,
mu.
impulse is more in
That cannot change. The
gradual
ball
and
initial
stop.
velocity, suppose 10 meter per second, that remains constant. So Ft is a constant. If he abruptly stops, time is less. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. What is the, let us say the ball is coming towards you with a velocity of 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Suddenly you stopped it. Mass into velocity. How much? Some mass, 100 grams or something you will take. Mass into velocity is the initial momentum. What is the final momentum?
Impulse.
Stopped, no? What is the final momentum? Moment.
Sir, when you tell
Yeah.
what is impulse?
Momentum means product of mass and velocity.
Product of
0.
force into time.
What is the initial momentum? mu, momentum, not velocity, momentum, mu.
Gradual.
That mu is a constant or not, the ball is coming with that velocity, that you can't change. But once it touches your hand, the velocity will change. So mu is a constant or not, initial momentum. Then ft should be a constant or not.
Lesser.
Lesser,
Yeah.
lesser.
That,
Lesser.
means, that means impulse is same in both cases. If they ask you in which case impulsive force is more, in which case impulsive force is more, then what is the answer? If you abruptly, suddenly when you stop, it will hit your hand with large force. So in which
Board
case
is not
impulsive
visible.
force is more? Abruptly stopped. In which case impulsive force is less? Gradually stopped. Abruptly means meaning is what? Suddenly. A ball is coming towards your hand.
Less force.
What is the initial momentum? Mu. You stopped it. Final momentum 0. Change in momentum 0 minus mu. How much?
Less.
Minus mu. 0 minus mu. Minus mu. What is the magnitude? Mu. Modulus. That mu is, that initial momentum is a constant. So ft is constant. So impulse is same in both cases, but impulsive force is more in abruptly stopped case. Impulsive force is less when the ball is gradually stopped. Gradually stopped. Note down these points first.
Constant. Both, sir, in both cases.
No, that one.
Gradually and abrupt.
No, that we have not
Both
discussed.
cases.
Yesterday's only we are discussing. What is the question I gave yesterday?
Yes, sir.
When a fielder
Yes, sir.
catches the ball, abruptly stopped and gradually stopped, in which case impulse is more. 4 options I gave you. The answer is the impulse is same in both the cases, but the impulsive force is
Sir, how ft is
more in
constant?
abruptly stopped case, and
How
the
ft is
impulsive force is
constant?
less
Once
in,
again, you say.
which is advantage for the fielder? Which is the advantage? Gradually stopped, because his hand will not be injured. Right, get hurt. Very good, right. Now note down these points, right. So answer is impulse is same in both the cases, but note down the point what I am saying. Impulse is same in both the cases.
V is equals to 0.
I will dictate, you
Zero.
write down. Impulse is same in both the cases.
U. Mu.
But impulsive force,
Mu.
but impulsive force is more when the ball is abruptly stopped. When the ball is abruptly stopped.
Constant.
Okay. So now you understood ft is mv minus mu. This is 0. So ft is mu modulus. So ft is mu. This is a constant. So impulse is same in both the cases. So have you note down? Yeah. So write the answer. Impulse is same in both the cases. Impulsive force is more in abruptly stopped case. So no one answered that. See, change in momentum of the ball is same. Change in momentum of the ball is same. So impulse is same. Impulse is nothing but product of force and time, or impulse is nothing but change in momentum. Why the final momentum is 0? Very good, very good. Stopped, very good, right. That's right. Now let us come back to this problem. Look at this here. A ball is dropped from certain height. If the gravitational force disappears after 3 seconds, what is the velocity at the end of 5 seconds? A ball is dropped from certain height. If the gravitational force not clear. Why not? A ball, I am dictating, write down. A ball is dropped from certain height, full stop. If gravitational force disappears after 3 seconds, what is its velocity at the end of 5 seconds? What is its velocity at the end of 5 seconds? Height is not, still the ball is in the air, some height. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Right. Now it is similar to the problem what we have done yesterday. That was on the horizontal surface. This is vertical. That is the only difference. Now come back here. A ball falls from certain height, right? U is 0. Gravity disappears at the end of 3 seconds. That means up to 3 seconds there is gravitational force. Acceleration is there for the ball. Uniform acceleration is there, 9.8 meter per second square or 10 meter per second square. In the problem I gave 10, so you take 10. So what is the velocity at the end of 3 seconds? Are you able to hear?
Sir, repeat it one more.
Yeah. What is the velocity? Actually, the ball is falling from some height. Some height. After 3 seconds, gravity disappeared. After 3 seconds, gravity disappeared. What is the velocity at the end of 5 seconds? 10 into 330. After 5 seconds, what is the velocity?
Remains constant, sir. Can you
Remains. Who is that told remains constant? Very good boy. Tell me.
Kranti, sir?
Very
Remains
good.
constant, sir.
Remains constant because there is no force. If there is no force
Yes, sir.
after 3 seconds, acceleration will be
Remains
0.
Yes,
If
sir.
the acceleration is 0, the ball has to go down with uniform velocity.
Velocity.
So at the end of 3 seconds, you find first v equal to u plus gt. U is 0, g is 10 into 3. That is 30 meter per second. Now listen. Why I found at the end of 3 seconds, up to 3 seconds there is gravity.
Yes.
So at the end of 3 seconds you find, after that the ball has to go with uniform velocity. No force on the ball. If
Yes,
there is
sir.
no force, there is no acceleration. If there is no acceleration, velocity will be constant. So, tell me what is the velocity at the end of 5 seconds?
30 meter per second.
30 meter per second.
30. At the end of 6 seconds,
Meter per second.
30 meter per second.
30 meter per second.
Remains
that's all. After 3 seconds, any time, the
30.
velocity becomes constant. Therefore, yeah, velocity at end of
Constant.
5 seconds is also 30 meter per second. Write on that. Write on that point.
Ten into three,
At
30
the end of
meter
5
per second.
second or end of 6 second, end of 7 second, the velocity is not going to change.
10 into 5, 50 meter per
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Very good,
Completed.
very good.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, listen carefully. Now listen. I'll tell you one important point. When F net is 0, that means MA is 0. You agree? When net force is 0, Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? The formula you get net force equal to MA is Newton's second law.
Law of inertia.
Yeah, very good, very good. That is nothing but whenever you derive the formula net F net equal to MA, that comes under Newton's second law. It's a Newton's second law. F net is 0. That means MA
meter
should
per
be
second.
0.
Yes, sir.
Can M be 0? Mass cannot be 0. Implies A is 0. M cannot be 0. You agree for that point?
Yes, sir.
M cannot be 0. A should be 0.
Yes.
If A is 0, what is happening to the body? Can anyone tell me?
What, sir?
If A is 0, what is happening to the body? Is it at rest
The body is in
or
rest.
moving?
Rest. In rest, sir.
No, sir, it is not in rest.
In rest only,
Then
sir.
no acceleration.
okay, no acceleration mean. Okay. Now listen to me. If A is 0, either the body should be at rest or it should move with uniform velocity. For body moving with uniform velocity, what is the acceleration?
0.
Yeah, so two things can happen.
Yes, sir.
Either it should be at rest
Or with uniform.
Or in a
or in uniform velocity. So, implies either at rest or moving with
Sir, number
Uniform.
A is 0, M is 0, sir.
velocity. So,
Sir,
listen carefully. Yeah.
sir, now if A is 0, M is 0,
No, ma. If MA is 0, A only should be 0, M cannot be 0. Suppose the boy who asked me, Saket, I think so. Saket is sitting on the chair. What is the acceleration?
0.
0. He is at rest. Suppose Saket is running with uniform velocity.
Acceleration
What is the
0.
acceleration? Yeah. So you cannot predict. Two things can happen. One is
Rest.
the body may be at rest or the body is moving with uniform
Acceleration.
Velocity.
velocity. Don't get confused. Uniform velocity. Write down that point.
Okay, sir.
Either at rest or moving with uniform velocity. Now you will ask me, sir, how to decide? Suppose if I say A is 0, how do we know whether the body is at rest or going with uniform velocity? It depends on the previous state of the body. Example I told you, when I drop the pen, after 3 seconds, acceleration due to gravity became 0. Previous problem. Previous problem. Previous problem, what I have done?
Yes, sir. A ball dropped.
When the
From
ball
sir.
is dropped, after 3 seconds, what happens to the acceleration due to gravity?
Gravitational force is 0.
0. That means on the ball, mg is 0. After 3 seconds, mg is 0. M cannot be 0. That means implies g is 0. G is nothing but acceleration. But the ball is having velocity or not after 3 seconds?
Having sir constant velocity.
Yes, sir.
How much was that? How much was that?
Constant.
Constant. How much
Constant
was that?
velocity.
How much we got? How much we got?
30 meter per second.
30. That means if the ball already acquired velocity, then if you remove the force, it will
30 meter
continue
per
with that
second.
velocity. It will continue with that velocity. If the ball is at rest, it continues to be at rest.
F1 equals to
0.
Now listen carefully. After 3 seconds, what is the velocity?
Sir, opposite.
30 meter per second.
Sir, it will
After
be in
4
rest.
seconds,
30 meter per second.
after 5 seconds.
30.
Meter per second.
Now Bhumaitree, what she has done, after 6 seconds,
30 meter per
got
second.
the ball.
30 meter
After
per
6
second.
seconds, she caught the ball and then removed her hand, left it. Now what will happen to the ball? Let me see who will answer.
Velocity will be increases.
It come to rest.
It will come to rest. Yeah,
Yes.
very good. That is Newton's first law. If it is already in motion, it will be in motion. If you bring it to rest, it will be at rest, provided net force on the ball is 0. You got my point? Now
Yes, sir.
listen.
Yes, sir.
After 1 second, what is the velocity when the ball is falling? After 1 second.
30.
No, after 1 second.
10 meter per second.
Very good, very good.
10 meter
After
per second.
after 2 seconds.
20 meter per second. 20
After
meter
3
per second.
seconds.
30.
30 meter.
30 meter per second.
After
10 meter
4.
per second.
30 meter per
30.
second.
30 meter.
After
30
5.
meter per second.
30. 30.
After 6.
30 meter per second.
0.
30 meter.
Now Jayant caught the ball
0.
30 meter per second.
and
0 meter
removed
per
his
second.
hand.
30
It
meter
will
per
sir.
second.
Zero
yeah,
In rest.
In rest.
Rest, rest.
yeah, it will stay in the space at
Sir,
rest.
that
Rest.
means after 3 seconds, no force is acting, so it has constant velocity.
Exactly right. Very good. Afterwards, if you bring it to rest, the ball will remain at rest. It depends on the history of the ball. It depends on the history of the ball, whether it is moving or at rest. So after the end of 5 seconds, 30 meter per second. After 6 seconds, 30 meter per second. If you stop it, it will come to rest. Did all of you understand? That is Newton's first law. Actually, how
Yes,
we
sir.
got it? From Newton's second law, slowly you came into Newton's first law. All of you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Very
with
good,
some
right.
once show previous page.
Yes, ma?
Once can you show previous page?
Yeah, first let them write down this. Those who are writing.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
First write down that. A ball is dropped from certain height. If the gravitational force disappears after
Sir,
3
now after
seconds,
5 seconds, the 30 meter per second only, sir.
that's all. That's all. Right.
After 6, 0. If
No, no,
if
no.
we no sir, if we catch the ball, then after 6 seconds 0.
Exactly. Exactly right. What is the velocity at the end of 5 seconds as it falls? Now write the answer there.
So sir, once wait, sir, once wait. One question.
Okay, okay. A ball is dropped from certain height. If the gravitational force disappears after 3
Okay,
seconds,
sir, thank you.
what is the velocity at the end of 5 seconds? Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So it remains 30 meter per second.
Sir, once can you see previous page?
I'll show. Oh, previous one I cleaned it, no? So I didn't save it. What is the doubt you have? Tell me.
No, sir, you were saying previous something, sir, that one.
Which one? Tell me. What is the doubt there? That was impulse. I was
Okay.
talking about impulse.
Next question.
Yeah, yeah, right. Now I can go to the new one. Right. Now listen. Regarding this Newton's second law, very interesting point. Suppose you have a wall, right? I will take this. I will apply a force of F. Am I applying force on the wall?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This one I told already in the first class, but some students have not listened. So you should
Zero.
listen carefully. You applied a force on the wall, but the wall is not
Body.
moving. Wall is not moving. Then what is the acceleration?
0.
Now I am going to ask you, F equal to ma if you take, I am using 10 Newton. 10 Newton force. So
10
F is how much?
10 Newton. 10 Newtons.
10 Newton. 10 Newton.
0.
Mass of the wall will be some kgs. Leave it. Mass is there.
0.
What is the acceleration of the wall?
0. 0.
0. 0.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
No.
How it will be correct?
No, sir, not correct.
10. No, no. 10 equal to 0 is not possible. Then
Yes, sir.
where is the mistake?
Sir, wall also exerts some force.
Not some.
Means
Not
equal
some.
force, sir. How much force we applied,
Equal.
wall also acquired the same
Yeah,
force.
exactly. When you apply
10
10
Newton.
Newton, the wall will apply back
10 Newton.
10 Newton. That
For
is
each
why,
reaction, there is equal and opposite.
Newton, sir.
yeah, for
Newton's third law.
every reaction, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction.
equal and
Opposite reaction.
Newton's third law of motion.
So I should not take like this. I should take F net. F net equal to ma. What is F net here? 10
10 Newtons.
to the minus 10.
10 minus 10.
How much? F net is how much?
0, 0.
0 equal to m
M
is
into
there.
0.
Yes, sir.
0.
Wall is not moving. 0 equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the logic there? Newton's second.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, Newton's second law
Sir,
you cannot.
I
Yeah,
have a
tell
doubt,
me.
sir. Means
Tell me, ma.
not this one, another doubt, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, now in a series combination,
Yeah.
if there are three resistance, but in series combination, current remains same, no, sir.
Why you are going to current electricity, ma? We are in the kinematics mechanics part.
Means
Second year that is.
I have doubt, sir. Okay,
Correct. That we can later on
One
see because
equals
all
to-
students are there, no? My
okay,
dear.
sir. Thank you.
So let us first complete this. Now listen. M into A is 0. F net is very important, not F. So F net is most
F net.
important part. Yeah, F net. Now listen. Now, if I take a body F1, this is F2.
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 Forces in opposite.
Yeah, opposite. F1, F2.
0.
If the body is going with uniform velocity, I gave the condition.
Sir, where the body is moving towards right,
Towards right. I kept the arrow mark. It's moving towards right with uniform velocity. Then, which is correct? F2 greater than F1, F1 greater than F2,
F1
F1 equal to F2.
F1 greater
F1
than
equal to F2.
Why F1 equal to F2? Why they are equal? The body is going towards right. The body is going towards right. So
Sir, is it
F1 is
F1
more.
greater than F2? F1 greater than F2?
I gave a condition uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means what is the net force?
Net force 0.
Then what? Then F1 minus F2 should be 0.
0.
F1 is
Yes
equal to
or
F2.
no?
Yes.
F1 equal to F2. F1 equal to F2. Because F net
Then object is at rest.
should
Easy.
be 0.
0.
How? Yeah. How do you know F net is 0? No. Array. My dear students, listen carefully. Body is moving towards right. If I say body is moving towards right, does not mean F1 is greater than F2. It
Two great-
may have uniform velocity, it may accelerate. If it's having uniform velocity, F1 equal to F2.
Sir,
Net force,
if, now body is moving in uniform velocity, but if body
Yeah.
moves in uniform acceleration,
I will tell you next point that only. Mute, Janavi, Saket, mute.
నేను ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోతాను రా బాబు.
Janavi, mute. Now listen. When F1 equal to F2, it's having uniform velocity. Because net force is 0. So next if you want, listen carefully. Suppose you take F1, F2. If the body is accelerating this side,
Yes, sir. F1 greater.
right side,
then F1 greater than F2.
then F1 is greater than F2. Very good. It's accelerating towards right. Accelerating towards
right.
that means F1 greater than
F2.
Then F net is
note down that.
sir. Then what about F net?
Yeah, F net. F net is F1 minus F2. F1 is more than F2, no? How do
Because
you
the
know
boy
F1 is more than F2?
towards right, sir.
Because the body is in
Body is
uniform.
accelerating towards
Yes, sir.
right.
Towards right, accelerating towards right. So F1 minus F2 is the net force. Now, how to get acceleration?
Sir, one more question.
F1 minus F2 net force equal to ma. So A is how
M.
much? F1 minus F2 by
Yes, sir.
By M.
m. Yeah. That is the acceleration. That is the acceleration. Note down these points.
Sir, one more question.
Yeah.
Sir, now the body is body is in uniform acceleration. But if the
Exactly.
body is at rest,
Tell me what would happen if the body is at rest?
then zero only, sir.
0.
F net is 0. Then ma is 0.
F1.
If ma is 0, F1 equal to F2. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Good point, that is correct.
it
Yeah.
will be there like anything non-uniform acceleration, non-uniform velocity.
Non-uniform acceleration we have not come to. We are dealing about constant accelerations only till now.
Sir, if acceleration is towards left,
Then F2 is
If
greater than
acceleration is
F1.
towards left, anyone tell me?
Then F2 is great.
F2 is greater than F1.
F2 minus F1.
Then what is the net force? Net force.
And acceleration equal to F2 minus
F2 minus
F1 by
F1.
M.
That's all. That's all. That's
Acceleration
all.
F2 minus F1 by M.
Yes, sir.
Exactly correct. Exactly correct. Note down that point. I'll give one small problem, then you can understand that.
Okay, sir, next.
Yeah, yeah. Now listen carefully. I will take a body, I'll apply 10 Newton this side, I'll apply 8 Newton this side, and this is 2 kg body. The surface is smooth. Find acceleration. Let me
Sir, what,
see.
sir? Once again, repeat the question.
Look at the board. 2 kg mass is there. 10 Newton
Sir,
is
1 meter
applied
per
towards
second.
right. 8 Newton towards left.
1 meter per second, sir.
Mass is 2 kg. Find acceleration.
1 meter per second.
1 minute per second.
One. No,
1 meter per second,
unit,
sir.
unit should.
1 meter per second
Unit.
square.
1 meter per second square. Right. Right.
Eight
How?
by 2.
This is 10 minus 8
A.
By
equal
Two.
to MA. M
2
is
by
2.
2.
A.
1 meter per
A
second.
is
Second.
2 by 2. That is 1 meter per second square.
Towards right, sir.
Right. Which side the body will move?
towards right.
Yes, sir.
X-axis.
Towards right.
Accelerate.
It will accelerate or not? Yeah. Is the velocity of the body increasing?
Yes, sir. Increasing.
Yes, sir. Increasing.
Yeah, increasing gradually. Velocity of the body is increasing gradually. Write down that
Increasing
points.
by 1 meter per second square.
No. Acceleration is constant. But
Okay.
velocity is going on increasing.
Okay, sir, next.
Acceleration is constant. Write down that point.
How is it velocity is increasing, sir?
Pardon? How is it? Is the acceleration constant?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now
That
if
means-
acceleration is 0, then constant velocity.
Yeah, exactly. If acceleration is 0, constant velocity. Or body should be at rest. Two things. But constant acceleration means, what is the definition of acceleration you learnt in 9th standard?
Change in velocity per unit time.
No. Yeah, that's correct. Equal
Vector.
increment of velocity in equal
equal
intervals
intervals
of
of time.
time. then the body is said to have constant acceleration. Someone asked Bhumaitri or Arshini, velocity keeps on increasing, but acceleration is
It
constant.
is vector.
Okay, now listen. Actually,
Vector.
we have many cases here. In your first year, you have
This
vectors. Can anyone tell me what is a vector?
Sir, which has both magnitude and direction and also obey vector law.
Very good, very good. Which
Yeah.
has both magnitude and direction, which obeys vector laws.
Parallelogram law, triangle law.
Yeah, yeah.
Which
Correct.
obey vector law.
Example.
Vector code.
Example, sir. Example, velocity, displacement.
Very good. Displacement, velocity, acceleration,
Angular
momentum,
displacement.
force, all. Let us go to the linear one. Later
Okay,
on
sir.
we can discuss about that. Force, all these are vectors because they have direction and magnitude.
Magnitude.
Now I'll ask you one thing.
Displace.
Light. Light is a vector or scalar? Light.
Vectors.
Lights, vector.
How? How?
Sir, light, it has direction so that we can, it spreads its, since light travels in a wave form.
Ah.
Cos.
So,
So-
light is a no, light is a vector or scalar, tell me.
Light is a vector.
Listen, it
Scalar.
has direction and magnitude, but it does not obey vector laws.
So scalar, yes sir.
So, it will not come under the vector. If, don't think that all quantities which have direction and magnitude are vectors.
Yes sir, which do not obey vector law, they are scalar.
Then only they are vector. If they, then only they are vectors, right? So they should obey the vector laws. Otherwise, they are not vectors. Scalar. What is a scalar?
Which has only magnitude, no direction, and does
No
not obey vector
direction,
law.
which has only magnitude. Example:
Example, speed,
speed, time, mass.
fundamental quantities.
No. Distance. Distance is a scalar. Time also. If I ask you the time, I will say 9:30 or 9:40, but you cannot say which direction.
Current.
Time is
Current.
scalar.
Temperature.
Now tell me, current if you take,
Current
it
is
will be
scalar.
vector or scalar because it
Because,
does not
it-
obey.
Oh, does not obey vector law, but it has both the magnitude and direction.
Exactly correct. Saket, exactly correct.
sir.
It has direction and magnitude, but does not obey the vector laws. Now listen, I have to discuss about vectors, scalars. I have to give problems on that.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
I have to discuss about, till now we did not come across any graph.
Yes sir.
There are displacement time graph, velocity
you-
time graph,
some-
acceleration time
Acceleration
graph.
time graph.
All that I did not discuss. Do you
Contour
know
of
why?
con-
First, all of you listen to me.
Yes sir.
If I have to discuss the graphs, you should know one mathematics properties or tool called calculus. I have to explain you about calculus. What is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope of
Yes,
the
sir.
straight line.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Y is equals to mx plus c.
Yeah, y equal to mx plus 3, straight line. After that, if you come to the intermediate first year, if you have come to the intermediate first year, you will have a curve. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
is the slope of the
Displacement, sir.
curve? Slope of the curve
So-
changes. Then I have to go for calculus.
F into S.
That is why if I start calculus, immediately
Zero,
you
sir.
will not
Cos
catch
90
the
is zero.
points. So
Zero.
I was giving you kinematics fundamentals, Newton's
sir.
laws fundamental, work done fundamental.
E
Then
zero.
I will go to vector, scalars,
Cos-
graphs, calculus, all these points. Now one more question. Yeah.
Sir,
I'll
why
give you,
cos
I'll give you.
theta
It's
can-
getting typed So by tomorrow it will be ready.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, where
Now-
will get? Is there any WhatsApp group, sir?
Yeah, you'll get in the group.
Sir, but I'm
Now-
not there in WhatsApp group.
Then they will. I'll ask them to arrange it separately for you. Who is that boy? Who is that?
Sonu.
Sonu. Okay, I'll let you know how you will get it. You will surely get it. Don't worry about that. Now, can anyone tell me what is work done? All
Work done is
fundamentals
equals to
only. Yeah,
force into displacement.
force into displacement. Anyone else? Anyone else? Work done formula.
No, sir.
Now listen. Work done
Yes, sir.
is actually
FS.
Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. How many know this formula? How many of you know this formula?
Sonu.
Sonu, you know?
No, sir.
I will tell you. I will
Okay,
tell
sir.
you. All of you learned up to here only. Fs. But actually, when you come to the first year, you will know work done is Fs cos theta. To have work done, you should have force and displacement. There should be force in the direction of displacement. Very important. Is it clear that point? So actually I should write Fs cos theta. Note down this formula, work done formula.
And cos theta. Fs cos theta.
Yes, sir. Next.
Yeah. So if I take cos theta means if I take a body and if I apply a force like this, F, and this is theta. Theta is the angle made by the force with the horizontal.
Horizontal. Yes, sir.
With the horizontal. Right? Angle made by the force with the horizontal.
Yes, sir.
So Fs cos theta. Draw this diagram also. See, once you have joined, no one should be leaving for some unnecessary reasons. Everyone should be in the class. Now I will ask you one question here. Now a person is moving with a load on the head, this side. What is the work done? What is the work done? Is there work done by the,
No, sir. No, no work is done.
why no work is done?
Because he is carrying on top, no, sir. But that luggage is means
Ah.
the initial position is same. It has not changed its position.
No, he is moving forward.
But force is not applied on the luggage, no, sir.
No, two cases are there. What is the work done by the gravitational force?
0, sir.
What is the work done by gravitational force? I will tell you. Weight of this body will be down, mg, and displacement is forward. That means force is downward, displacement is forward.
Both are perpendicular to each other.
Yeah. So work done is
No,
Fs cos 90,
0, sir.
0. That means work done by the gravitational force, is 0. Then can I say work done by the man is 0? You went to the railway station, the porter is carrying.
Standard is 0.
No, the porter is carrying the load and he has come up to 20 meters. Can you say that you have not done any work? Angle is 90, so I will not pay
sir.
you.
We should say work is done.
But see, I got work done 0.
Sir, but the luggage has not moved, no, sir.
Luggage is moving on the head. He is carrying the luggage on the head and coming. And afterwards, he kept that luggage in your car. He will ask money. You will say, mg is down, you are going horizontally, angle is 90, you have not done work, I will not pay. Can you say? He will give you one tight slap there only. Yes or no? Now, tomorrow what you will do is, why this fellow is paid? But the answer is 0, work done is 0. Work done by gravitational force is 0. Then why you are paying? You have to explain that by tomorrow.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am?
Bye, sir.
And tomorrow you will get your
Sir,
homework
work is done,
also.
but as the person's energy is used.
That's what. Think little more. Tomorrow you can tell me. But one point I am telling you, everything will be explained gradually. I am not explaining the graphs now. I know when to explain the graph. I know when to explain the vectors. All this I am giving the basics required for you. What are the equations of motion? What are Newton's laws? How to apply Newton's law? What is the meaning of net force? What is the meaning of work done? All these points are basic which you should know. Then I will go into the graph, because
Okay, sir.
graphs are very, very important and very interesting things to learn. Many students don't know how to draw the graph, VT graph, ST graph, AT graph. If you know calculus, everything becomes easy. That I will go step by step, right? Okay, all of you unmute.
Sir, once can you give side?
Yeah, tell me, ma. Write down.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how can I add in group?
Add in group. I will. What's your name?
Sonu.
Sonu. I will inform now to the. They will add you. Don't worry. Sonu, isn't it? Right. So tomorrow onwards you will get that homework. It's not ready, so no problem. Okay, all of you. Bye. God bless you, ma. Yeah. Remember, those who joined into the class, they should not leave for silly
The next
reason.
class not there.
Yeah, it is there now. It's there.
Okay.
But
Okay, sir, thank you.
remember one point, you should not leave the classes. You should be in the class. As if you have come to the physical class, you should remain there. Right.